Hi guys, just a quick update with how the guitar's coming on. So I've got the cover plates made using templates, and I've drilled through them so I know where the screws are going to go. So what I'm doing here is I'm transferring those holes to the guitar body so we know we get them in the right place and it holds the covers in place. So the plates are made from a spare offcut from the roasted flame maple top, because wherever possible I do like to have it matching, just for aesthetics. It looks a bit better than just a piece of plain black plastic. Now I could use the battery drill to do this, but I got this old Stanley egg beater hand drill from an antiques shop in a town called Church Stretton, which is about an hour away from me. But there's this huge antiques place there. It's over 5 floors. There's all sorts of things, but they've generally got a good selection of old hand tools, and I found this a while ago. I think I paid £5 or £6 for it. Needed a bit of a clean up and a bit of maintenance on the chuck, so the jaws close properly on the bits. But yeah, I'm a bit of a tool junkie and I really like old tools, and these egg beater type hand drills are perfect for this kind of thing, because you can be very precise and you're in complete control. So the trick with these is you go a few turns foot drilling forward and then wind it back, and then a couple forward and then wind it back. So it just helps to clear the hole as you're drilling. But yeah, if you don't have one of these, I'd say check your flea markets, antiques malls, swap meets as you guys I think call them in the States. They're really useful pieces of kit. And make sure you hold it straight, otherwise you do what I just did and pull the piece back off. But with a battery drill it's difficult not to go too deep, because the screws for these cover plates, they're not very big, so you don't need a really deep hole. You just need something for it to bite into, and with a battery drill it's easier for it to get away from you. And obviously I don't want to accidentally drill through the front of the guitar again, because I have done that in the past and it is really annoying and really frustrating. Yeah. Few winds forward, then back it out. Takes an extra few minutes, but very satisfying. And always put your drill bits away when you finish with them, or you'll lose them or damage them. And there we go, simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.